Well, shalom, ladies and gentlemen. This is the after picture. After I got in there with my little vacuum cleaner and a 2-inch paintbrush and just started doing my little brushy brush thing. I had to be careful because I don't want to lose these little pieces here. They're necessary to help balance the keys, and I sure didn't want to get one of them sucked up into the vacuum cleaner and have to cut the bag open to get it. Thankfully I didn't vacuum any of them up. They're kind of loose on the post, but you've got cardboard and a couple of layers here, a couple of layers there. So I didn't want to disturb any of that. I figured, why make work? So I had to be very careful about the way I placed the nozzle for the pickup on the vacuum. And before I even ran my poor little vacuum, I wasn't going to run it. I didn't realize how deep that dust accumulation was. It has a fall board on it, which is now safely. It was easy to hide it once I got the action out of there. You can see how this thing is kind of laid up there. Excuse the light, it's kind of poor, I understand that. But floorboards in behind gives you good access to the felt to clean that up and all this other stuff. And then, before I even ran the vacuum, I evicted this horrible pile of whatever it is, dust bunnies, spider eggs, whatever's in there is now long gone, and I'm going to dispose of that rather than trying to vacuum it up. I'll just pick it up and walk it to the trash. But this is what's involved in, this is the kind of thing that is involved in having to clean up a piano, get it prepped, get it repaired, so that it maximizes enjoyment for the next person that utilizes it. I've got to clean all the teeth, and I'll put that back together, and I'll talk to you at another time. Thanks for watching.